Hi, it's Sharon from Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Welcome back. Tell me, do you have those projects that you just really want to get done and somehow they always end up kind of on the bottom of your list? Well, I have one of those in the front yard and I really want it done. It's kind of the centerpiece of our garden. It's a keyhole garden in our front yard. And we've got a bird bath and a couple of rings around that we plant. We have planted bulbs and vincas. And between the moles and the heat, we're down to 2 vincas and it looks pretty sad. And so finally we took care of this project. So I've got video for you today of us working on that, bringing the water line out to this area, as well as adding drip to a few other plants here in the front yard that we just never got hooked up, like our 2 lemon trees and a couple of other things. So I hope you enjoy the footage. Okay, so we're out here in our front garden and I have this Unbelievable that I got on clearance that I intended to plant, and it just was so busy I never got there. And so what we're going to do is leave it in its pot so we can finish out the season, since it's an annual. And I've gone ahead and added water line to it. Mark's going to hook that up for us today. There we go. Okay, so out here we have the Rose of Sharon, and we got the supply line out here, but we never got the water line on here. So Mark is going to do that. We're going to take the cage off because we had to protect it from the bunnies, and its poor thing is not very happy right now. But we're going to give it some water, and it's going to come right back. Yes, exactly. Yep. Moving this supply line, and then Mark just moving the supply line over. Mark's going to add the drip line for the lemon. I've already got this set up on a hose bib timer. We just hadn't gotten the drip onto these lemons and these few other plants that we needed to get taken care of. All right, so we are going to plant these purple vincas into our keyhole circle. And then we have some different plants to go in the middle, but for today we're going to get the vincas in, and we will get a quick supply line over to this circle so that we can make sure that they're going to have water. All right, I got the supply line in here. Put a T, take it under that little fence and underneath this here so that we can get water into the circle. We were able to get the supply line across. We'll have to dig that in. We're not going to do that today. It's very warm out. So we were able to bring the supply line into the circle. Got a little dog leg we're going to get underneath that middle, but we're not doing that today because we're not planting the middle today, just the outer ring. So we've got the water line in here, and we've laid out the plants. And Mark is going to get those in, and we'll get them watered in, and we'll take a look at everything we got done. Okay, so here we have our hose bib water line. We're going to go test the water lines we just put in. I see drip is working right there where the plants are. All right, let's go look at our Rose of Sharon. We've got a dripper line, soaker hose for this one. That's working. That is working there. All right, we have success. All right, so that manual setting on that hose bib timer will run for half an hour. So we're just going to let that run. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. It really is true that if you just do a little bit every day, it really does add up. Why do we put those things off? I'm so happy to have it done, and I'm happy that we got the water line taken care of. We knew we had a big heat wave coming, and we really needed to get those vincas planted and get the water line to the center, and to those other plants, the lemon trees and everything will perform so much better with regular watering. And so if you enjoyed this video, would you give us a thumbs up and share with friends? I hope you'll turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. And I thank you for joining us here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. See you next time.